Alright guys, welcome back to the second part of this unboxing. This is one of those we actually need a knife to open the tabs. Most of the time when I do these, I don't need to do that at all. I do with this one, so let's go with it. Let's pull this out of the box. And there we have it. The instructions are still inside. I thought this was an F-18 actually. F-18, that's what I thought I was getting. But it turns out it is not. It is an Su-27 fighter or a J-11 fighter. It's very strange what they've done here on the box. On one side it says one thing, on the other it says something else. Anyway, in the next part I will open it up and we'll get more into this. Thanks for watching.